Welcome back. In this video, we're going to talk about binary search. Binary search is a search algorithm used to find the position of a specific element in a sorted array. It works by repeatedly dividing the search interval in half until the element is found or the interval becomes empty. Let's jump back to our code editor to understand it better. Now, as you can see, we have created a binary search file in our project. Let's create a function that accepts two arguments, an array and a target element. Let's call it binary search. Let's initialize two variables, low and high, which represent the beginning and the end of the search interval. Now we sort the list in ascending order. Now this function is going to enter a while loop that continues until the interval becomes empty. That is, low is greater than high. In each iteration of the loop, the function calculates the midpoint of the search interval using the formula low plus high divided by 2. Let me write that down. Now, if the element at the midpoint of the interval is equal to the target element, the function returns the index of the midpoint. Otherwise, if the element at the midpoint is less than the target, the function updates low to mid plus 1, effectively discarding the lower half of the search interval. Else, similarly, if the element at the midpoint is greater than the target, the function updates high to mid minus 1, discarding the upper half of the search interval. If the target element is not found in the array, the function returns minus 1. Let's export it. Let's test this out. As you can see, I've already imported it in our index file. I've console logged the binary search with an array. I think we should also console log our array over here after sorting. Now let's try to find an element which does not exist in our list, which is 0. Let me see what I did wrong. All right. As you can see, the value 0 does not exist in our array. Hence it returned minus 1. Let's try to find the index of the value 52. As you can see, it correctly pointed out the targeted value that we are looking for, which is 52 at the index of 4. Here in the array, as we count the array from 0, this makes sense. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.